ready for love. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. Checking audio, video signal. Jaybird, good night, He's free to give you another message. That's that wind blowing at 60 miles an hour down the highway. What's 300 going to sound like when the earth stops and stands still for 3 days? Top 100 companies, Fortune magazine, they all know about it. Buffett knows about it. Margaret Thatcher knows about it. All of the governments of the big G8 and G20, they all know. It's been an intentional financial collapse. The money was stolen, used as we worked like slaves. We are underneath the Babylonian structure. God never said, I'll give you $3, €2, or a schnitzel for your lamb. He said, bring an oxen. You give me an ox, and I'll give you 5 sheep. He said, if you had too many oxen, give one to your neighbor. Make sure your neighbor gets to eat, doesn't starve. But hell no, we got people out walking and begging who ask the Father every day for some help. So you got some old evil way person like me. That's what they think. My closest friends know I'm the real deal. He might be crazy, but maybe this is the path I've walked. 41 people in the timeshare vacation industry that I've known in my life are dead. Why was I chosen to be here on this day? I don't know. But I haven't made it to 12/21 yet. I know we're inside of 6 months. The time's clicking. As long as that sun's burning, we're getting closer. Was